Hi, my name's Judy, and I've been asked by the Harrison Township Library to show you how to make these three cards. I have mine already made, but I'm going to explain to you how to do it. The first card, well, first of all, you're going to need two things. You're going to need a pair of scissors and either a black ink pen or a fine-tipped black marker. You have everything else you need in your packet. There's a glue stick there and a piece of paper for you to do your gluing on so that you don't get your table all dirty. So the first card that we're going to make is the one with the black butterfly in it. So you're going to pull out that card, and on this black piece of paper, you're going to take your scissors and cut from one edge and cut up, and then start at the other edge and cut up, and that will make a V on there. And then you're going to glue that to your paper to one side. Then you're going to place the white disc on top of the black one and glue that together, and then glue the black butterfly to that. Once you have those glued together, you will attach it to your card. Use a lot of glue because you don't want it to come apart afterwards. And then take your saying. Now there's two sayings in the card. You can either do the thinking of you card, which I have here, or you can do the birthday card. There's two greetings for the inside of the card. And the one you do not use for this, you're going to be using for another card in a moment. So once you put your saying onto the black paper, then you will glue that to the bottom of your card. And then there are three small sequins in your packet. They're either white or black and white. And you will put those on the top of this black piece of paper. I generally put the middle one in first, and then that way I know it's centered, and then I add the other two to the side. Now once you have that all done, then you open it up and you'll put your greeting on the inside. Normally you would be stamping these greetings yourself, but since we're doing this virtually, I have provided those for you. Okay, so that is card number one. Put that there. Card number two, it has a turtle on it. So if you want to pull that one out, and you take the long strip and you glue the dark oval disc to that. You glue this strip to the card, then you glue these in layers, the scalloped piece, the oval piece, and then the turtle and the turtle shell. So those will all be together. And then you put your greeting onto the green paper and attach that to the bottom. Now you can put that greeting wherever you want on the card. If you want to put your turtle lower and put your greeting on the top, that's fine. So on the inside of this card, you will use the greeting that you did not use that was left from this envelope. Okay? So that is card number two. Now card number three is a ladybug, and I like her a lot. It says on the front, Ladybug Hugs. And once again, you're going to put your greeting on top of the black tag and glue that to your card. Then you take the black ladybug and you glue the shell onto her so that it's all together. And then once it's together, then you glue that whole piece onto your card. And then there's a small white flower in your packet. So you're going to take that flower and add that wherever you want on the ladybug. That's just to give her a little bit of pizzazz. So then you're going to take your black ink pen or marker and you're just going to draw her little feelers. So you just make a straight line up, and then just curl it around. Very easy. And then for your inside greeting, you're going to take that, in which it says, a hug is the perfect gift. One size fits all, and it's also returnable. So you're going to put that greeting onto this red polka dotted paper and then glue that into the inside of your card. And that is our three cards that we are making, and I hope you enjoy making them and have a great day.